Happy holidays, everyone. Wow, the year is coming to an end. Today's video is brought to you by ATTLADY Shapewear. So that is ATTLADY Shapewear. So today we're doing an honest review of their camisole or tank top. We're just going to open it up and see what they have to offer. So when you visit their website on Amazon, you will see that they're also offering different colors. You can either choose from nude and black, or you have all black. So I decided to go with both black because hey, you can never go wrong with black. So just upon touching it, I know that the fabric is so soft. You could tell by just feeling it that this is going to snatch your body. It has adjustable strap just for you to adjust when you put it on. I am wearing a small, and I can honestly say that the fabric and the whole entire material feels good on my skin. There's no itchiness going on. It's just comfortable. You don't really need a bra, honestly, when you're wearing this. That's just my honest opinion. You guys will be happy to know that they are currently giving away 10 free gifts. All you have to do is be the first 10 people to email them. I will be putting their email below. Let them know that you saw the video from Hair Hub, and you'll be on your way to getting your free gifts. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, let me know what you thought about this. See you in my next video. Bye.